Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, API key, endpoint, and acceptable methods. Once you have keys, test with Postman or curl to confirm responses. This avoids wasted code. Make sure to note required headers like authorization and content type, because missing headers cause 401 or 415 errors. Start a simple get-to-fetch sample JSON, then inspect status codes and body. This first actionable step proves the API is reachable and predictable. Now implement the call in your app using fetch or Axios. Create a single client with base URL and default headers so changes are easy. Use a sync and try/catch to handle errors, and update UI with loading and error states to inform users. Once done, parse JSON and map fields to your UI model. This clarifies data flow. Make sure to add pagination and basic caching to reduce requests, and include retries for transient network failures to keep the app responsive. Finish by validating inputs and securing API keys on the server. Never embed secrets in client code. Deploy and monitor logs to catch bad responses or unexpected latency, and use status codes to decide retries or show helpful messages. If things break, first reproduce with curl, then inspect headers for cores, content type, and authorization. These are frequent culprits. Finally, add concise user feedback and graceful fallbacks so your integration remains resilient and maintains a good user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.